Taliklik. How did that work, Taliklik? Taliklik had toothache and they gave us some apple cider vinegar. Do you still have toothache? So, what's the action? Which is this? What is this?
Mefenamic.
It's what?
Mefenamic.
So you're going to put that next to your tooth? Yes? Well, what's stopping you? If I had toothache, I wouldn't be standing there holding the pill.
I'm going to drink this when I eat food.
Ah, I see. Oh, you're actually going to swallow that? Oh dear. And I just heard... There's a friendly cat, the one that just had his singing voice changed. Hey!
Turtle! He's playing
That's
with
Turtle.
With a small lizard or...
Ah, there's a small lizard.
Lizard or a cockroach.
Well, we did some cleanup and this was all cleaned up, and I got to do something about that board. It looks as if it's about to fall. Always something. So you can see we're actually going to lose all of the light very soon. But share with us this time of the evening. This is when children are walking home. There's a couple of kids there. BB just passed. We said hi, BB. And that ghostly figure is Mike, and he just borrowed the angle grinder and sharpened up a bolo, and now he's setting to clearing that land there. That's the doorway just opened into Talik's house as she went home, and I think that's her mom at the door. You know, this could be 100 years ago. Yeah. Okay, well, I'll close with this. There's Beth. Beth is putting away the hose. She's been planting, as you can see, a lot of plant pots around there with clippings, cuttings that she's hoping will take root. Okay, thanks for being with us. This is a foreigner in the Philippines. End of the day. Bye for now. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I know that there must be lots of OFWs out there who will be watching this and remembering their childhood on pieces of land very, very similar to this, and we wish you well. Hope you're safe. And any OFW watching this who comes home for a visit, you're more than welcome to come and visit us. So, bye for now.